So with all this talk about ClickUp, I use it for my project management, but I'm also using it for my lead tracking. So these are leads that I'm working on right now, and I always make a note of their budget, respect, and project. That's the 15 points available on the client scorecard from the blueprint. I also mention when the lead started and when they end. I'll put the date for that. If I have put in an estimate of budget, so for example, today I talked to this lady and I said 15 to 30K for ecom, so I'll make a mark of that. My conversion guess, so this is what I think if they're going to convert or not, and I adjust this as I have new conversations. I'll always mention how people found me. So this person, for example, found me through Google, agency referral. This is through a cold email, a personal referral, another agency referral, because I always really want to track, obviously, what's converting the most. And then eventually, either if they win or they lose out. So I will mark, if they ghosted on me or why they did not convert, and then all the different steps that we took. So for example, Corey at Bark King, I went to 15-minute call, I did the intake, go wide, go deep, wrote the proposal, but she actually ghosted on me, which is crazy because it was a very strong proposal. She never even actually reviewed the proposal. So I'm tracking all of that. And then the ones that are still possible in 2020 that, they're saying it's on hold, they are interested, etc. I put those notes too. So, ClickUp's really nice because it allows for these custom fields, and I can always just convert this to a project card.